When I was a nurse, I literally had to go to the nursing office and choose my retirement program as if I knew. I didn't know anything about money or how it worked. And this is literally what the retirement industry does. They actually leave you to fend for yourself to make those decisions. And not that you can't, because you can. I know there's many, many smart people. But most of the time, you need someone to come alongside you to help you make those decisions. Because I can tell you, a lot of people aren't doing as well as they could. At 300 Financial Group, that's what we do. We come right alongside you and we walk step by step from cradle to grave, a plan for you to be able to think through every possible situation that could happen in your lifetime where you're going to need money, where there's an issue of possibly running out of money. We'll walk you through that. So ask, DM me, and I will make sure that you are taken care of at 300 Financial Group.